Good morning. I don't know if you can see me or not, but we're off to work. It's the next day. Wish I was going to work on the combine, but still gotta do the day job. Hopefully someday I won't have to, but for now I do. I don't know how well I ended the video last night. I was kind of pissed off that the combine was broke, but we had two holes in the cross auger under the clean grain elevator, and the beans were leaking out onto the ground. So that's all we got to pick was one pass just to do a test. The beans were dry, but yeah, there we got holes and we got projects. So hopefully our mechanic's gonna get out there and fix it today while I'm at work, and we'll be able to do some tonight. I'm excited to get out there. The yields were looking really good in the little bit that we did, so it's really exciting. That's part of farming. It can be pretty frustrating sometimes, especially when you're first getting going. It's not how you want to start your harvest with a breakdown, but it is what it is. Just gotta keep doing what you do and hope that everything goes smoother from here on out. So I'm gonna head to work. See you in a little while when it's brighter out. Alright, finally off work. Got to take this dang thing off. So hot. Got a meeting real quick with the water conservation guy, the county soil and water, whatever. Talk about cover crops on one of our fields, and then head out there and start picking. Sounds like Roger, the guy who works on our equipment, got everything fixed on the combine, so excited to get out there. Hopefully everything will be good to go, and we'll be able to knock some stuff out. I'm ready to get rolling, ready to get stuff done. So probably about an hour or so, hopefully we'll start picking. All right, take two. See if this goes any better than yesterday. Got a piece patched on there and taped her shut. So he put some epoxy in there too. Put some plastic over that hole and taped it shut. Not a permanent solution, but hopefully it'll get us through for a while. 12.
8.6.
Yeah. I don't think it's that dry, but I hope it's not that dry. First dump for the year. Didn't pick up the camera, I had to get comfortable picking again. Pretty clean. Clean big beans.
Alright, I'll take the truck over there.
You want to pick a couple rounds? You're already in the driver's seat.
You can take a couple rounds off that end, and then that way I can park that truck right there.
Sure.
Is that alright?
On that field by the garage?
Yeah, just take that end out, and that way I can park it in there.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that.
Yeah, bump it up because it starts digging. Dale Farmer says we're beaning. Mine are showing like a 53 bushel average, but I haven't calibrated yet either. Guy's gonna come help us do that tomorrow. So I think it's actually a little higher than that. I think that's a low estimate. I'll take out his tomatoes.
Oh, we don't do that. Ooh, that was close.
Yeah. That was 15-foot head here.
Oh, yeah. Okay, Grandpa.
Oh, is that what Grandpa's saying to you? Or you're saying to Grandpa?
Saying it to Grandpa.
Grandpa never took a full head, so always had to tell him to scoot over.
Yeah, 15 foot, he was always taking 13.
Now we got a 20 foot.
Dad's taking 15.
Got some guys picking corn right across the street. I don't know about you, but I'd be picking these beans while it's dry.
Yep.
First field down. Little 4 or 5 acre field. All these fields out here at Max are pretty small. So, this is the biggest one. First one down. Oh, can't miss those guys. Alright, be over there. Alright, got 3 little fields down. 1 more to go and we'll be done at Max. So, got about 3 acres left. Starting to get a little dark. Not bad yet, but we'll see. We're almost done. Be nice to get this stuff done so we can move tomorrow. And then calibrate everything at the next field. Starting to get a pretty sunset. Alright, better get off here so I don't hit anything. So this is the field that the company didn't spray. Got a lot of volunteer corn in it. A lot of weeds up the side here. It's not horrible, just gonna be a slow first couple rounds. But we'll get through it. This is the last 3 acres of this farm over here. Then we can take that off and get ready to move it tomorrow. Try not to plug her up with all this green stuff. Hopefully we'll get through these first round out around the outside. We'll be okay after that. Just as I said that, I plugged it. I think we got her. Nope. I have to pull stuff out. Hopefully we'll be alright now. Green stuff is damp. I don't know if you're watching this, Dad, you're probably yelling at me, telling me to go home, but not ready yet. Gonna finish this field, hopefully. All right, let's try this baby again. Now we're good. All right. Time to kick the lights on. We're gonna put the camera back down and get to work. I don't know if you can see me anymore, but we got her done. Only 12 acres there, but we got them all knocked out. Got a full truck. Still got a little bit in the hopper, so say they yielded pretty decent for this field. I've been going, well, it's been a long day. I'm tired. About to head home. See the kids. They're probably sleeping, but at least wake them up and say goodnight to them. Signing off. See you next time.